Hey everyone, to modify the behavior of the function key on your AC laptop running Windows 11, you have a couple of options. Using the BIOS or UEFI settings, adjusting the function key behavior through the BIOS or UEFI is a common method. Here's how you can do it. Access the BIOS or UEFI. Shut down your laptop completely, turn it back on, and immediately press the F2 key repeatedly to enter the BIOS or UEFI menu. Navigate to the function key settings. Once in the BIOS or UEFI menu, use the arrow keys to navigate to the main tab. Locate for an option labeled function key behavior or similar. Adjust the settings. Select the function key behavior option and press enter. Choose between function key or a media key mode. Function key require pressing the function key to use the special functions, example volume control, brightness. Media key allow direct access to special functions without pressing the function key. Pressing function enables standard F1 to F12 functions. Save and exit. Press F10 to save your changes and exit the BIOS or UEFI. Confirm any prompts to restart your laptop. This process will modify the default behavior of your function keys. For more detailed guidance, refer to Acer's official support page or your laptop's user manual. Using keyboard shortcut. Some Acer laptops offer a keyboard shortcut to toggle the function key behavior. Function plus ESC. This combination toggles the function lock on or off. When enabled, you can use the function keys F1 to F12 without pressing the function key for their special functions. If this shortcut doesn't work on your model, refer to your laptop's user manual or Acer support resources for model specified instructions. Here is the note for you. Altering BIOS or UEFI settings can affect your system's behavior. Proceed with cautious and ensure you follow the correct steps for your specific laptop model.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.